my sweethearts. It's me, Heartdrop here. Welcome back to another Roblox Let's Play. And today I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm playing Yu-Gi-Oh! And aka Duel Monsters. And it's on a Roblox server. I'll leave the Roblox game down below in the chat if you guys want to join me when I'm on. But I'm gonna choose my character as one. Meantime, I played it before, but I didn't get it that much. See, white. I'll go white, I guess. I mean, choose blue, but I guess it'll be better than nothing. What's going on? Cause you don't have purple or anything. I guess it's for the other one when you level up or something. We have to buy in shop, I think. And yeah, it turns all chubby when you character like this. Guys and girls. Not sure why though. Oh, card. Picking up. When did I drop with this card here? Wait, before I forget. Let's see. Turn off the music sound. Where's the music setting? Because I don't want to get copyright or something. Worry about it later, I guess. I wonder which one's the sound up here. Yeah, worry about it later. It's not really covering this game. Wow, the actual duel's going on. Cool. Probably I'll have a duel on too. Wait on to end the video if I can find one. This is like in the game. It looks like actual Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel too. It's cool, right? Definitely cool. I think this one's it's a training tech shop. Let's look around and show you its areas of the game. Huh, some people will go in. I'll go in later on. I always liked Yu-Gi-Oh! Ever since I was little. My favorite season was Yu-Gi-Oh! JX and Yu-Gi-Oh! 5D. Those are my favorites. And leave the chat down below which one's your favorite season too. Cause Yu-Gi-Oh! Sounds a very interesting show, to say the least. And I always like the funny moments in that episode too. You had me laughing every single way in the film funny parts. I always have to rewind them over and over. One day they show the monsters too, when they summon them, like in the TV show. Nope, they don't. Maybe they'll do that in updates. Oh, they did! Awesome! They show the monsters in the cards. Awesome. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, the server went into this update, and it looks cooler now. Because now the monsters. Because they didn't do that before. And now it's definitely worth it. Another area over here. I guess it's just where all the cards is or something. I don't know. Oh, the deck HQ, really? Nah, I didn't know that. Now I can get my own deck. Why does it always show my character so funky? I don't know. Some games connect, and some games make no sense to know. I feel like I'm the only girl player who likes Duel Monster in this game. Now that I think about it, most of the Duel Monster game that comes on here are male. That makes me feel bad for the rest of the girl players. I got lots of new cards. Oh, I have that card. And yes, I do collect Yu-Gi-Oh cards in real life also. And they're fun. My deck. My trinket. I have a pendulum. Cool. Pendulum's a new in the game, that's what I heard of. Definitely gonna use Call the Haunting. That'll come handy. Where is it? Oh, definitely using Mystical Time Stone. Just in case. Where is it? Oh, definitely using that trap. I know what some of these traps are, and some of the others are not looking nice. Let's see. Where is it? I'll send this monster to my deck. Which one should I get next? I don't know which one should I get next, guys. What do you think will be a good strategy deck? I'm not sure. But unfortunately, guys, that's all the time we have. See you next time on Hard Drop. Bye bye.